This is the monitor top from Moline that had the little pinhole in the stainless evaporator. I was going to fix it with Stay Bright, but the Stay Bright and flux I had should have worked on stainless, didn't really want to flow. I ended up fixing it with 45% silver braze, evacuating it 3 times with nitrogen in between, then let it sit in a vacuum overnight to get most of the rest of the SO2 out. Ran the vacuum pump again, and then charged it with R124A. Right now it's shut off. It's been closed up in cardboard so that it's been cycling on and off on its control. There, it just turned on if you heard it. Extremely quiet running. R124 doesn't seem to boil as violently in the evaporator as the SO2. I don't know if it's because the oil is traveling on through with it easier, or less oil in it, or just different in the refrigerant. If you can see that frost line on the tank good. It is charged with exactly 2 1/4 pounds of R124, just like it would have been for SO2.